Hello everyone, it's Mario Armani, your friend and realtor from Armani Realty, and I'm here to give you a quick update of the Toronto real estate market during the first quarter of 2021, so let's get to it. How many more new listings were there? In 2021, there were 15,466 new listings compared to 11,050 new listings in 2020. That is a difference of 4,416 more new listings on the market than last year. The real estate market really hit the ground running at the start of 2021 with crazy over-asking bidding wars and properties once again exploding in price. There was little inventory during January, but February did see many sellers finally list, which ended up supplying the huge demand of buyers that were still not able to purchase before. How many sold properties in 2021 compared to 2020? In 2021, there were 11,522 sold listings compared to 6,801 sold listings in 2020. That is a difference of 4,721 more sales. The listings to sold ratio was pretty much in line with where it was last year. The majority of properties that did come up on the market did end up selling in the first quarter has been without a doubt a red hot seller's market. What's the average price of a detached home in 2021? The average price of a detached home was $1,699,125. That is up 16.9% from 2020. The average days on the market was 14 days, with 21 days being the average days on the market last year. Selling has once again been a breeze as buyer demand has been at an all-time high and inventory is still low considering all of the demand. Interest rates have still been very competitive despite the slight increase that occurred at the end of February, but buyers for the most part are still paying no mind and still coming up with very strong offers that are continuing to push prices higher. What's the average price of a condo? The average price of a condo was $675,844. It is down once again 4.6% from 2020, with the average days on the market being 23 and only 17 last year. Even though this stat does show that prices did once again go down, it's only when comparing it to this same time last year, which was the last quarter that the condo market did show increased growth. At this time last year, the condo market was red hot, and due to the lockdown and other changes that affected many investors and people upsizing and moving away from the core, it did cause the condo market to come down. However, that has not been the case since the start of 2021, as the condo market has definitely increased since the last quarter of 2020. To sum it all up, condo prices are back up. My final thoughts. There's no doubt about it that the first quarter of 2021 was absolutely crazy and many sellers really did profit. However, with real estate, you can't always look at the stats. During the month of March, the inventory has gone up substantially and there have been many bidding war presentations where sellers have not sold and have had to relist at higher prices. Due to the higher inventory and the interest rate hike that occurred at the end of February, it does seem that some buyers are being a bit more conservative, taking a step back from a month before. The real estate market has literally started to resemble the stock market, with drastic changes happening very quickly. The market still remains volatile as prices have come up a lot in the last year, and future lockdowns do pose a threat to the economy, so it's best to exercise a bit of caution when placing offers. Remember, it is very hard to time the real estate market, so if you need to buy or want to buy, just do it. Don't be like many other buyers that are still waiting for the market to crash, and the exact opposite has happened over the past year. Remember and keep in mind that real estate is a long-term investment, so if you keep your property in the long term, you will never lose. So that pretty much wraps it up, guys. If you need more information, I'd love to chat with you. Please call or text me anytime at 647-448-4939. Feel free to also connect with me on Facebook or Instagram, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch all my latest videos. Like always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.